My name is Ernest, and today I'll be showing you how to how to augment a spinning cube in Vuforia. So first, search up Unity Hub, click on New, and type in Vuforia spinning cube tutorial, and click Create. So right now, once your project is open, go to your internet browser and type in Vuforia developer portal. Click on the first link and click on downloads. So just click on add Vuforia engine to a Unity project. Click I agree. So you want to drag and drop this Unity package onto your project right now. So click import. Click update. So one thing before we create the license key is right click Vuforia engine and click AR camera. So delete the main camera from the hierarchy. So you'll notice that there's a new folder over here called resources. So when you click on it, there'll be a Vuforia configuration. This is where we'll use to paste the license key into. So first thing is go back to the Vuforia website and click on develop. So click get development key, type in Vuforia spinning cube tutorial and click the checkbox below and click confirm. So once you are done so, click on the newly created license key. So just paste this license key, go back to the Unity project and just paste the app license key over here. So that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll be trying to create the marker which we'll use to augment the spinning cube. So we'll now be creating a image target right now. So go to the Vuforia website and click on target manager. Click on add database and type in Vuforia spinning cube tutorial. Click create. So once you have created it, you will see it in the target manager. So click on it and click add target. So you're supposed to choose a image right now. So just go here and choose one of the following markers in the marker libraries. So I'll just choose the building site right now, and you can set the width to whatever you like, but personally I think that 3 is good enough for the width. So just click add. And over here you'll see a rating for the marker. So preferably you should have this at 4 or 5. Not any lower than that, as it will be the most optimal when you try to augment the cube. So just click download database all and select Unity editor as the development platform. Click download. So drag and drop this package file onto your Unity project. So click import. So now right click the hierarchy, hover over Vuforia engine and click on image target. Change the type from image to from database and select the Vuforia spinning cube tutorial database. So over here you'll see that the camera is right inside of the image target right now. So we should try and move it. So just select the arrows and just move it just so it fits right within the camera. Maybe you can move the camera a bit higher right now. So just something like this. And yes. So that's all for this step. In the next step, we'll be trying to create a spinning cube. So first, right click on image target and click on cube. So move the cube up above the image target. So just something like this. Then right click the assets panel, hover over create and click on folder. Name it scripts. So double click the scripts folder, right click, hover over create and click on C# script. So we'll call this spinning cube. So just click enter. So double click the script. And just remove the start function as we don't really need it actually. So just create a float variable called speed, a public float speed. So this will determine how the speed in which the cube rotates. And over here, just write transform dot rotate 0 time dot delta time speed and 0 again. So what this does exactly, it will rotate our cube based on speed and the frame rate interval. So just click save and just minimize it right now. So what we want to do is just attach this script onto our cube. So go to scene view right now. That way we can verify this. So just click on the play button and just click scene. So right now you'll notice that the cube, oh yeah, we need to set a speed first. So just go here and just set a speed to, let's just say 50 for example. So just click play and just click on the scene view. So you'll notice now that our cube is actually rotating. So this will mean that the script is working as correctly. So just uncheck the play button, and tutorial I'll be teaching you how to add audio like music and sound effects onto your scene. So first, we need to get the audio files right now. So just go to your internet browser and type in free sound. So just click on the freesound.org and just search up some music that we can use. Maybe like, let's just say maybe we can use this music box melody for our music right now. So just click on it and just log in or register if you don't already have an account, and just click download. So just drag it to your Unity project. So the next thing we need a sound effect. So just search up button right now and just choose any of the buttons. I mean, you can have any other sound effect, but this is just an example. So just pick one of the sound effects right now. Like, let's just say this sound effect right now. You click download and just drag and drop this audio file to your Unity project. So to make things a bit more organized right now, we're gonna rename these sound effects. So rename the music box to just music, and rename the button click to just SFX. So let's just say first thing we want to play music. So just right click the hierarchy, hover over audio and click audio source. So rename this to BGM audio source, and just drag your music audio file to the audio clip and click on loop right now. So when you click the play button, you will notice that now it's playing music in the background. So it's gonna keep on being looped right now. So let's just say I want to create some sound effects right now. So what we do is you can right click, hover over audio and click audio source. Rename it to SFX audio source. So just drag your button click to the audio clip right now, and so right now the music will kind of be louder than the SFX. So just so we can hear it better, you can just disable the BGM audio source right now. So now click the play button. So right now you'll just hear a sound being played in the background. So right now it's not being looped, so it means it only play one time in the whole scene. So just uncheck the SFX audio source and let's just add the BGM audio source instead. We're learning how to build our spinning cube scene onto an APK. But first things first, before we start, is click on the scenes folder. Now make sure you save this, otherwise it might get accidentally removed. So just click save and just rename this sample scene to spinning cube scene to make it more organized right now. So just click enter and click reload. So just go to file, build settings, and switch the platform to Android. So just click reload because right now we're just building an APK, so it will always show up your script. So just close it because we don't need it anymore. So just close it and just click add open scenes. Then click clear settings. And there's a few things we need to remove before we actually start building the APK. So first, remove Vulkan API, graphics API, and just remove multi-threaded rendering. So once you've done that, you need to change the minimum API level to at least 4.4 or KitKat. You can use any other version higher than 4.4, although 4.4 is the minimum that you actually need. So just click on it. Just close the project settings window. Click on build. So once you build it, create a new folder, call it APK. So double click the APK folder and just type in spinning cube tutorial as the name for our APK. So just click save. So before we start right now, make sure that you print out the marker on an A4 size sheet of paper and make sure it's as big as possible on that paper itself. So let's begin. Without further ado, let's begin. So just click on the APK. So as you can see, the music is playing in the